These pocket-sized notebooks have quickly become some of the most popular products that I offer on my site. I make the leather cover for it. It comes with the A6 LEUCHTTURM Pocket and a fine tip pen that locks the cover shut through the pen loops. I'm going to show you how I make one in this beautiful, natural Italian leather. Working with the natural leather can actually be quite difficult sometimes. The other colors that actually have pigment added to it, like the olive greens, the turquoise, so on and so forth, anything that's not natural has, I don't know what it is about it, but they have some characteristic that makes it a lot more difficult to get them dirty. The natural leather, however, doesn't have that finish on top that some of the other pigments have. So when I'm working with the natural and I'm actually making the product, I have to take extra care that I'm not transferring glue to the surface of the natural, because it can actually stain it way easier than those other colors. Glue, toconol, which is my edge burnishing compound, things like that can really age the leather, or make the leather look aged, I should say, faster than some of the other colors. So working with natural, gotta take a lot more care. I've actually seen some other makers use like white gloves when they're handling natural Minerva or other natural leathers, I should say. Now, when I say this is natural, I do mean it's natural in color. It's not completely untreated natural, quote-unquote, leather. So it has gone through its tannery process. It just doesn't have the added pigment. Now, the nice thing about this leather is that when it does age naturally, it becomes this beautiful, light brown. It starts off as this kind of creamy, almost yellow in certain lights, but as it ages, it'll become a little bit more of a light to medium brown. It's a really, really neat color. It's something that ages and patinas a little bit more drastically than some of the other pigments as well, just because the color is so light. Every single nook, cranny, ding, dang, dong, it all just becomes so much more apparent. I love it. And I would say this is actually one of the oldest leather colors that I've been working with here. When I started to dabble in the Minerva options, I think Almo was my very first, Walnut was my second, and I think Natural might have been my third. I was really excited to touch Natural because I think it's a super, super underrated color. I think when people go for leather goods, just kind of broadly speaking, I think the walnuts and the blacks, the browns, I think are always the ones people gravitate toward. And if they're stepping outside of their comfort zone, maybe olive green. But naturals, the turquoise that we offer here, I think they're just so underrated. And I think for this particular product, the A6 pocket-sized notebook and the A5 medium notebook that we offer, I think these colors really stand out. So if you're someone who likes to take notes in something that you're like proud to carry around and happy and excited to carry around and open up, put your ideas into, and lock shut with the pen loops, I think that you might want to look into some of these more vibrant colors. And the nice thing that you can add on to it is you actually get to choose your stitching color. So if you're new around here, you pick your leather, and then you pick your stitching color. And I think at this point we have about 18 different stitching colors to choose from. Everything from your basics like black, ivory, all of the shades of brown. We've got salmon, mint green. We've got some really, really cool, very unique colors. So you can really get creative with your color combinations. So there it is. This is the A6 Pocket Notebook. It's the LEUCHTTURM book, which is a beautiful German company making some of the highest quality notebooks with our natural cover.